Hello and welcome back to the Off Grid family. Today it's just a very quick video because I've got many things to do as the lead up to Christmas, and I am working on quite a big project. Whether it'll be out before or after Christmas, I'm not sure yet, but it's all dependent on how far I get. But as some of you may know, I can't do as much as I used to back in the day because of various health problems, and one of the things I loved doing was the garden. I spent many hours, doing vegetables and getting all that sort of stuff sorted. Crystal would help me, and I'd be the main person who went out in the garden, but she'd do the heavy lifting when I needed it. This year I couldn't do any of it, so I left it to Crystal and the kids to get on with. But I thought, well, because I can't do it myself, it doesn't mean I can't record it. So I did some very quick videos of it over just random times over the, a week here, 2 weeks here, and so on. And basically I've just stitched them together so you can see the garden go from all the plant life they got to where it was about 2-3 weeks ago. It's all dying back now, and we've got most of the stuff out of the ground except some carrots and some, carrots, potatoes, onions and leeks. But I think they did really well, and I just wanted you guys to see. Sorry it's not my usual kind of video, but I thought, it's interesting for some, hopefully. Anyway, let's let them get on. Okay, as I say, I hope you enjoyed that. It's only a very quick video. Crystal did the brunt of it, but the kids were out there every day when needed, doing digging and planting and that kind of thing. So they really do deserve all the nice vegetables they got, to be honest. As I say, I'm doing a bigger project, but it's taking me much more time than it used to. So don't hold your breath, but it will be here hopefully soon. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again next week. Bye for now.